Welcome back, YouTube. We're jumping into this video. Today we are gonna be installing my wheel spacers. Finally, they came in. So right now I'm about to turn the Z on, move it into the backyard, and bring out the Mustang, so that way I can start working on it. We're gonna get a little cold start. Yeah, we're about to bring in the Z, pull out the Mustang, so that way we can lift it up on some jack stands, and get off the wheel, install the wheel spacers, and it should be a good fitment. I've seen a couple photos on American Muscle with the same setup that I have, PP1 with the performance pack wheels, spacers, and the same exact lorry springs that I have. And excuse me, guys, just woke up. And the fitment and the tires, the way it look, is very aggressive. So I think it should be good. We're gonna see once we install them, our wheel setup with the car and how it looks. So right now I'm about to pull this car in. Just turn on. Also, comment down below, how long do you guys let your cars idle once you guys turn it on? Like, I know some people, they turn it on and you start moving it right away, which is crazy to me. I usually give it about 2 minutes, or like approximate 2 minutes, let it warm up for like 2 minutes, and then I'll just start driving it. Obviously not like aggressively, just cruising and trying to like warm it up to operating temperatures. My keys, got the Vegeta. Yeah, we're about to go into that car right now. Let's turn this on. Alright, so this is what we got. Let's open this up. Try to do this with one hand. But you guys can already tell by the title of the video. We got the E-Box 25mm wheel spacers. You get you a catalog, and yeah, I don't know if you get coupons, but they'll tell you like all the stuff they have, which is cool. And yeah, let me take this out the car. Okay, so you guys can see 25mm, made in Germany. You get lug nuts, and you get the wheel spacers with the new studs. So this should give us a great fitment. These are Hub-Centric. You want to go with Hub-Centrics always, just because they're a lot safer than the ones that are not Hub-Centric. So make sure you spend the extra money just to be on the safe side. And you gotta torque these down. I believe, I'll have to look it up, but I think it's 90 foot-pounds or 100 foot-pounds of torque. I have a torque wrench, so definitely gonna do that to make sure everything's all good. But let's get the floor jack, and floor jack is there. And then let's get the jack stands. All right, so now we got it on jacks. Got that supported, and pretty much before you even lift it up, make sure you guys already broke the lug nuts loose, so that way it won't like just rotate while you're trying to loosen them. I already got them loose, so just loosen these up. I'm doing one side first so you guys can compare the difference between wheel spacers and without them. So right now I'm going to take the wheels off and we're going to install the spacers. All right, that's with the spacers. Without, huge difference. You guys can tell right by camera. That fitment looks crazy. It looks good. It looks really good. I like it. Oops. Reason why I went with these lowering springs, which is the Steedas, even though I have like, say about 2 finger gap, I am planning on boosting it. And I know with this lowering spring is not as stiff, so it's good for like the drag strip, and you could put a fat tire and not worry about rubbing. And yeah, it's good for drag stripping. So that's kind of the reason why, because I want to boost this car, and with the drag setup it won't rub at all. So you guys can see it's a good fitment. So let's see, yeah, this compared to this, you don't see that tire poke like you do on this side. This looks a lot nicer. You guys can see it. I'm showing y'all the rear, how it looks now with the spacers. It looks a lot better. You get that poke. Just finished washing it too. I'm about to turn this on. Hopefully it don't connect to the Bluetooth. Alright guys, so that's how the car looks. Oh, sorry. It's a little shaky. I just got this camera. What do you guys think? So that's what the wheel spacer's on. I'm trying not to shake. I gotta get like a gimbal for this camera, so that way it won't shake as much. But you guys can see, look, this is the rear. I guess it's like a 3/4 angle. You guys can see. And then yes. You can see the back fitment, the wheel spacers. That's how she's sitting. Yeah, I really dig the look. What do you guys think? I was thinking of picking up what's it called, canards for the front, so that way you guys can see right there, it kind of like go up a little bit, give it just a more aggressive look. Before I also go with the Cervini's upper and lower grille, and then probably see if I can look for a drag pack or some wheels for it, and debating if I should get carbon fiber hood and fenders, or just get the hood or just the fenders. I kind of like how the rear looks. I don't want to get carbon trunk, not yet. Maybe when I start doing like more like performance mods and I need like the performance and I gotta like lower the weight. But other than that, you guys can see. And this is the camera, guys. This is the A7. I know it's a little shaky because these cameras are a little bit shaky. You need kind of like a gimbal for it, so you don't have to deal with the shakiness. But other than that, what do you guys think? Let me know down below what you guys think with the camera quality as well, and then also what you guys think with the wheel spaces that are on the car right now. What do you guys prefer? Well, what do you guys want me to do next as far as more content for the vehicle? Do you guys want to see more aesthetics, or do you guys want me to finally start doing like some performance mods? Let me know down in the comment down below. That way we can make it happen. You know, let's get this video to, I'd say, about like 30 likes. I think we could, that's attainable, and you know, we can start doing some really crazy mods. You guys can hear that idle. I know it's a little filthy, but it's looking nice though. I'm gonna do a little quick cinematics for you guys, so you guys can, you know, enjoy the beauty that I drive every day to work. This is a daily, so I always drive it. I'm trying to get like a daily for this daily, so I don't have to always take it to work. But for now, this has to be it. But yeah, let's get to the cinematics.
I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8 day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon.
And yes, that's it. That concludes my video. You guys like, oh, sorry, I'm shaking this camera way too much. But if you guys like what you guys saw, then, you know, drop a like down below, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys want to see next. We already got, I could go with a full breakdown of what I have so far on the car. It's really not much, it's kind of like OEM plus. But if you guys want to see more parts, or if you guys have any suggestions of what I should do next to the car, because, you know, these cars are kind of easy to make them look good. So anything you guys want to see, comment down below, and yeah, we can see if we can make it happen. Well, other than that, guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning back in, and peace out, guys.